Hi y'all, so today we're doing something really simple. Another one that I found on TikTok. Cookies and cream French toast. And this is super simple. I have 4 eggs here. We have some powdered sugar. We have some Oreos. We have some whipping cream. You could also use milk here. And I have 5 slices of French toast, just to give you an idea of how I make a French toast. Of white bread here. You don't have to use a white bread, but I like white bread for my French toast, especially since this is a more sweeter and dessertier type of French toast. But before we get to cooking, we are on the road to 500 subscribers. So if you haven't already, go ahead, hit that subscribe button down below if you want to learn a new recipe every week. And now let's get started. Alright, so what we're going to do is I'm just going to take a handful. Hold on. Let me take a handful and then count them out. We're going to take about 10 Oreos in our food processor. You know what? I only have a couple left in the package. So I got about 15 Oreos in this food processor. Now we're just going to get these well pulverized and crumbled up. Now once we have our Oreos well ground up, we're going to go ahead and start making our egg wash. For our egg wash, we're going to take about 4 eggs. And then about a tablespoon of our whipping cream or our milk, whatever you decided to go with. Go ahead, just give that a really good mix. Now we're going to pour in about half of our Oreos. Or just enough to give this make this a bit thicker of a mixture here. Which will be about half of your Oreos. Don't do what I did and make a mess. Now we're going to set this to the side real quick. So now we're going to make our Oreo gravy syrup kind of thing. And I got a liquid measuring cup because it'll just be easier to pour. But you want about a cup to a cup and a half of powdered sugar. Now at about a tablespoon at a time, we're going to just start adding in our whipping cream or our milk to our powdered sugar. Till we get a really creamy consistency. Once you have that nice creamy consistency, we're going to go ahead and add in the rest of our Oreos. Now if you mess up and you make it too runny, you can always go ahead and add more powdered sugar. It's really simple to do. Now Oreos made that a little too thick. Add some more. So it's probably too many Oreos, those extra Oreos I decided to add. But you want to keep a nice creamy consistency. Once we have that mixed up, we're going to go ahead and set that to the side as well. Now we need to cook our French toast. Now our French toast is really easy. I have a skillet on a high heat. We're just going to go ahead and dredge our bread and our egg and cookie dredge. Now we're going to cook for about a minute on each side and take them off. So when my French toast is all done and cooked, I'll bring you back. Also, our French toast is cooked. So now we're just going to take a little, I'm just going to take a little bit of a dot between each slice of French toast, and I'm going to do a 3 stack. That might have been a little more than a dot. That's all right. And this just a little bit on top. Boom. And there you have it, a cookies and cream French toast. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button down below. There's videos over here that YouTube thinks you should watch, and until next time, keep on cooking on.